Okay, welcome. Today I wanted to offer some reflections about the film, Bordering on Insanity, where we're at, and what's happening over the next few days, which is very exciting. So, enjoy. So, tomorrow I'm based in Yorkshire, I'm going to be heading down to Somerset to a retreat centre down there, and I'm going to participate and be involved in the filming of a retreat around boarding school. And this will be for the documentary Bordering on Insanity. I'm really excited by this and a little nervous. I will be one of the participants, so although I've organised it, as of tomorrow I will step back and I will be a participant. What was my boarding school experience like? And the reason we've kind of chosen to do this aspect of the film is, rather than it just being a talking heads documentary, meaning speaking to the experts, which is great, actually bringing, people sharing their experiences, being in a workshop setting, hopefully quite a lot of emotion, maybe some anger, some tears, some grief. It's like, what have we been through as ex-boarders? I think having a group and filming a group is going to be so powerful, because I know for myself is I've been a loner. Most of the clients I work with or people I've spoken to, we're very good at being self-sufficient. As I shared in one of my films a few weeks ago, Tony Blair talks about that he's very emotionally self-sufficient. This is us. So to have a group of us sharing some of the stories that we maybe never dared share before. And I found over the years of doing men's circles with ex-boarders is the most powerful piece is to hear someone else speak the words that have been in our heads for decades, that we've gone, oh my God, I'm not alone. I'm not the only one who struggles with this, and this. And this can break down the walls that we've built up, the carapaces that Joy Shavrin talks about. So, yeah, the inspiration is really, for me, the reason I wanted to film this to be part of the documentary, is from the film The Work, which is a documentary which goes into Folsom Prison in California, and it films a 4-day retreat of a group of prisoners and people from the outside world coming together, and it's so powerful. The tears, it's like every time I watch it I'm in tears. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this aspect of the film. I think it's an amazing group who are going to be participants, and then there's also 10 staff who are helping, cooking and filming and doing the audio and running the retreat. So it's really exciting. I will update you once I hear, once I know how it's gone. And then this Friday I've got a podcast going live with Morag Edwards, who writes under the pen name Isabel Ross, about her book Almost Boys, which is about her experiences in a co-ed boarding school. What was it like? And she comes from the educational psychologist perspective that she's been involved in for 30 years. It's a great conversation. Her book is amazing. Please do read that. And then next week is I'm speaking to comedian Tom Greaves, who is an award-winning comedian who was at boarding school, and he's done a show called Goodbye Mr. Fudgy. I believe that's how it's called, the show. We go live next week. Again, really great to hear his perspective of his boarding school experiences and how it's impacted him. So some exciting bits and pieces happening. So bless you. Thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to speaking soon.